shake, heard a voice shout, earthquake. The room's chattering, it terrified me. Water soaked the floor, it soaked the floor. Heard a banging beyond the door. Let me in, he cried out, he came to find me. Stay calm, we have to go. Climb the stairs into a darkness deep below. As we dove into a cave, a trance so frightening. Siren rang out every wall as the light swept down the halls. Flashing red lights, strobe in place, I'm feeling dizzy. I could feel it through my legs, trembling, violent sway. As my heart begins to roar, my chest was pounding. Stay calm, we have to go. Climb the stairs into a darkness deep below. As we dove into a cave, a trench so frightening. In the rising dust, felt the shifting of Earth's crust. Underneath the stairs, winding stairs, would it crush me? Get me out, I need to breathe. Smoke was rising with an unbearable heat. Almost there, getting close, suffocating. He pulled me up, exit's near. Hold on tight until we make it out of here. As we pushed past the door, the light was blinding.